For years we've been offering aluminium roofs on our cuddy model boats, and what we've updated to recently is this completely new design which is more like our hardtop boats. You can see it's a thicker looking design with a double thickness, mounted on a strong targa bar. We've got rod storage up the top of the rocket launcher here, which is fantastic for storing rods. Also an LED light underneath, areas to run wiring if you want to mount anything up on top. And the whole thing's surrounded with these clears which give you a really nice protected area inside the boat, more like a hardtop boat with glass windows. However, it's fully foldable, clears are removable, fold it down, slip it under a low carport or garage. Let me show you how the roof folds. Firstly, under the little pelican clips both sides, pull out the R-clips and pull out the pins in the targa bar. Then what we do is we undo these quick release little ball studs here. Take the front bar in your hand, make sure you've got the roof securely, and then walk back into the boat. Tilt the roof onto the targa bar, make sure you put some padding on your bait board, and then simply lower the roof down till it bears on the bait board and sits there nicely. And you can see there, you've got that below the cabin height, gives you opportunity to store it in a low garage or carport. And the last step is to fold the windscreen, undo the 3 windscreen latches. Take our windscreen support prop, fold the windscreen upside down, locate the prop in its little support under the dash, and there we are down to cabin height. This system is designed for storage only, not for towing.